In Thailand, the men of the 809th Engineers are building a road. This is the sort of major highway construction that could be seen anywhere in America. The equipment, the activity, and the need are the same. But in Thailand, the need is more acute, for this is a nation with few modern highways. The new road runs from Chuchen Sao to Kabin Buri, and it means a great deal to the Thai people. Until now, they had almost no means of getting crops and produce to distant markets. American and Thai workers together are changing that situation. The engineer operation in Thailand, though strictly an Army project, is on a par with large-scale industrial activity in the United States. Even the rock which goes into the asphalt aggregate is quarried and crushed locally by Army engineers. The entire plant is established, maintained, and run by Army engineers. And from these hoppers pours the blacktop, which is stretching each day farther and farther across what was once jungles, rice paddies, and a few ox cart trails. Not long ago, the only way to get crops to market was to wait for the rainy season and go by boat. It took 2 weeks. Now the trip to market takes an hour and a half. Small wonder that its builders take pride in it, the men of the 809th Engineers, United States Army.